If your curiosity is buzzing, let's zoom in on the hidden world of insect legs. Ready to explore? Insects are fascinating creatures with 3 pairs of legs designed for different tasks. Let's start by observing the bee's legs. Bees have pollen-collecting legs with a flat, wide tibia covered in long hairs, forming a pollen basket. Look closely, and you'll see the pollen press at the tibia-tarsus junction and the pollen comb on the base of tarsus. Next, let's examine the housefly's legs. Houseflies have walking legs, covered with hairs and spines. Notice the 2 flat pads called pulvilli at the end of the tarsi, acting like suction cups for sticking to smooth surfaces. Now, onto the mosquito's legs. These long, thin legs are also for walking. Under the microscope, you'll see tiny black dots called pulvilli, enhancing friction for better grip on surfaces. Finally, we have the butterfly's legs. Covered in fine hairs, spines, and hooks, these legs help butterflies sense their environment and grip surfaces with tiny claws. What a journey! Each leg is a marvel of nature, perfectly adapted for its owner's lifestyle. Keep exploring, and you'll always find something new.